I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both files so the link is stable. Open the source workbook and the target workbook. Make sure each file is saved. Once done, choose the link method you need: a direct reference, a formula using Sheet, Cell, or Excel's paste link. You're starting now with the source open because Excel builds references from that file. Follow these first actions exactly so subsequent steps use clean names and paths and avoid broken links later. You'll create the actual connection by typing equals in the target cell and then clicking the source cell in the open source workbook. Excel builds the reference automatically. Make sure to lock references with $ if you want absolute links. Once you press enter, Excel returns the value and, if the source is closed later, shows the full path in the formula bar. If you prefer formulas, wrap the reference in functions like sum or if, and make sure sheet names with spaces are quoted. You finish by saving both files and verifying the link persists after closing the source. Once saved, open only the target to see whether Excel updates the linked values. If not, use Data Edit Links to manually update or change the source. Make sure file paths haven't changed. If they have, relink using Browse. If you encounter a #ref error, open the original workbook or recreate the reference quickly. That's the single most common fix and restores correct values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.